Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐸𝐬𝐬 with another tutorial whether how you can schedule your reels on Instagram using Metricool. So to schedule your reels on Instagram, sign into your Metricool account and go to Planning tab. Here you can click either here anywhere in this area, or you can just click on Create Post. Both will open the same window. Well, there are two sections of this window. On this section, you will be able to see the preview of your post, and on this section, you will be able to create your post. Well, here are the logos of all the platforms you may have connected with Metricool, and since I'm interested in scheduling my reels on Instagram, I'm selecting Instagram and turning off all the other platforms. And when you click on this drop down, it gives you options whether what exactly you want to schedule. Since this tutorial is about scheduling reels, I'm selecting reel. Now upload your reel. And here you can see that it picked the very first frame of the reel as a cover image, which does not look good. And to change that, click on this ellipsis icon and then click on select cover. Here, just drag it to select the frame you see fit to change its thumbnail or cover. And then add some description. Well, here is the characters limit you need to keep in mind while writing your description. Anyhow, here you can see the preview of your post, whether how it will look like when it will be published. And if you have some extra notes about the post, you can write them here. Moreover, you can add collaborators too. Just add their username here and they will be informed when the reel will be published. And also, you can use link shortener if you want. Now, select the time and date you want your reel should go live. And then click on schedule. Now your reel has just been scheduled. And when you hover your cursor on it, it is showing that the status of this reel is pending. And if for some reason you want to change the time and date, you can just drag and drop it there. And when the reel will be published, the status of this reel will change from pending to published. And when you go to your Instagram account, you can see that the reel has just been published. And this is how your reel will look like. Moreover, if you want to reschedule this reel, you can not just drag and drop it to reschedule it. First, open it and duplicate it. And then change its time and date to reschedule it. And here you can see it's been rescheduled. And when you go to the Instagram section on the main page, here you will be able to see the stats of your account. And with the free Metricool account, you will be able to see the stats for 3 months without watermark. And this is how you can schedule your reels on Instagram using Metricool. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.